The black-faced cuckoo shrike is a common omnivorous passerine bird native to Australia and southern New Guinea. It has a protected status in Australia under the National Parks and Wildlife Act of 1974. They are widely distributed in almost any wooded habitat throughout the region except in rainforests. But they can also occur in urban areas and are a fairly common sight on power lines in Australian cities such as Sydney and Perth. Adult birds have a prominent black face and throat, grey plumage, white underparts, and somewhat hooked bill. The size varies between 32 and 34 centimeters. They are slow-moving, inconspicuous birds with a shrill, screaming call. The diet consists of insects, their larvae, caterpillars, or other invertebrates. In addition, some fruits and seeds are also eaten. Outside the breeding season, they like to flock in groups of up to 100 birds. Some may be partially migratory, or they may remain in the same territory. Lack of significant differences between the regional populations in Australia makes it difficult to determine where populations move in winter.